Bob Lamb Outdoors. I'm out here on the south end of French Island with a grandma and her two grandsons. Mrs., what's your name?
Mary Pergandy.
Pergandy, Mary. And what's the grandsons and their names and their ages?
Bronson will be 5 next Thursday, and Decker is 2.5.
And you guys live in La Crosse?
I live in Tomah. They live in La Crescent.
Oh.
I've only got a Wisconsin fishing license, so
oh.
I have to bring them.
Yeah.
I have to bring them to Wisconsin to fish.
Yeah.
Well,
that's good that you can get out with them and.
Yeah, we got a magnet. We got magnets too, because we do magnet fishing. And
oh, brother, you're really teaching them then.
Yes, well, yes, I am.
Nana's doing it.
Nana's doing it. Oh, you gotta let go when you throw forward, bud. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
You got this. I know you got this. Okay? Yeah, like that. Push the button, hold the button, then when you throw forward, let go. There you go. You got it.
Good one, Decker.
That's Bronson.
Or Bronson.
That's B. There you go, buddy.
Oh, I want to do it. I can do it a little bit. What are those?
This is just a training mission. I'm hoping in about 4 years that I actually get to fish with them. You want it out there? Okay. Oh, coming back.
Boy, Nana knows how to cast them out there, doesn't she, boys?
Nana's got a lot of years of experience.
Have you lived in Tomah a long time, Mary?
You better pull. The bobber's going down, buddy. You almost had one. Oh, you got one.
You got one there.
Pull it in. Keep pulling. Keep that pull up. You got one, buddy.
Looks like a sunfish.
Keep pulling, yeah. You did get one. Come on, let's go. You got your brother's pull to contend with. Keep going, buddy. Yay!
Hey, where'd it go?
In, bud.
Way to go, Bronson.
Keep pulling in, buddy. Keep pulling your line in. Right there.
What is this fish? What is this fish?
You gonna take them home and eat them, boys?
They're not.
Nope. Catch and release today, huh?
Catch and release.
You don't need.
There's your fish. Got it?
Put him back in the water.
We are going to put him back in the water.
I want to see. I want to see him.
He's right underneath here. There he goes.
There he goes.
There he goes. Okay, Bronson caught fish.
Yeah! What fish was it?
Is that your first fish, Bronson?
No, it is not. He caught one in Tomah last year.
Oh, did he?
Yes, he did.
What, do you go up on the lake up there?
We go right below the dam.
Oh, I see.
Right below the dam. He got himself a nice little bass last year, so. Actually, it was a pretty nice one on a real cheap little fishing pole.
Oh.
I'll probably catch another one someday.
Well, Bronson, you go on BobLambOutdoors.com and you're going to see you catching a fish, buddy.
Yeah, that's good.
Well,
thank you so much.
Good luck and see you along the way.